How to remove payment method in Tim Hortons account. It's pretty simple and a quick process, so without any further delay, let's jump right into the video. Start by heading over to any of the web browser. Once you're in this page, in the search bar, you need to search for Tim Hortons. And then move into the very first site, timhortons.com. You will land on the official page. Once you're in this page, at the bottom right corner, you can see the option of account. So move into account. Now head over to payment methods. First of all, you need to make sure that you are logged into your account. Once you have been logged in, and if you have added the payment method, all of the payment details will be available to you in this page. Simply move into any of the method that you want to remove, and then at the bottom right corner, you should see the option to remove. Tap on remove and click on confirm. After that, your payment method will be removed successfully. So that's the wrap for this video. If it was helpful, give it a like and check out our next tutorial. Thank you.